Authorization failed, no connection. When you try to connect or link your trading account to MetaTrader 5 on your Apple device or Android device, you experience this error. You don't know how to connect your trading account. In this video, I will guide you through the steps that you need to take for you to connect your trading account. Now, what we will do, we will actually look at the apps that we have here. We have MetaTrader 4, TradingView, MetaTrader 5, and to Reef Trade. The apps that I recommend for you to use is always MetaTrader 5, and I can also recommend Trade. It is that simple. Now, MetaTrader 4 and TradingView, I don't recommend if you are a beginner, unless if you are an advanced trader. So to connect the account, it is simple. We have to log into the broker first thing. We're gonna go to Chrome. We've already logged into the broker. All right, we've already logged into the broker. So our broker that we use is this broker, Deriv. We're using Deriv broker. Simple. So if you do not have a trading account at this stage, what you can do, you can go to YouTube, search Bozza Trader, subscribe, go to videos and watch the tutorial as I've uploaded the tutorial on how to open a trading account. You can also visit our website, bozzatrader.com, or you can press here, then you press this website link for Deriv to open your trading account. Now, once you've opened a trading account, please make sure that you also join our free premium group where I share market direction as to buying, selling, and understanding that we are actually trading almost every day. Now, to connect the account, it is super simple, super easy, right? We are logging into the broker. Once we have logged in, if you do not know how to log in, we have another tutorial where I guide you how to log in to a broker here. Watch this tutorial. Now, once we have logged into the broker, we are going to go to CFDs. But if I want to make sure that everybody understand, when we're trading with a Deriv, we have different user interface. We have phase 1, we have phase 2, we have phase 3. Now, phase 1 and phase 2 and phase 3. This is phase 1. This is the user interface. This is what you will see. Then we have phase 2, this user interface. So I want to make sure that I cover everybody so that you understand we are having a different user interface depending on the country of resident or citizen or nationality, all right, where you are, or where you were born, place of birth. Now, we have this phase 2, user interface. So I don't want you to be confused. I don't want you to panic. We have this phase 3. So let's connect the account. Let's start with phase 1. All right. If your user interface is like this, you will press here. You see this 3-dot icon on top left. You press there. You go to Traders Hub. Now, once you're at Traders Hub, it will show you options here. All right. You go to CFDs. Then once you're on CFDs, you must pay attention to demo and real account. If you press here, you will see real. You can change between demo and real. All right. This is phase 3. Phase 3, it's simple. Once you're logged in, you will see this user interface. You don't press just like we pressed here. This is the user interface that you will see. So what you do here, you press CFDs. You press CFDs. CFD. Once you press CFDs like that, it will take you to CFDs. All right. Let's reload the page. Press CFDs. Reload. All right, we've pressed CFDs here, right? Press CFDs. Now, when you look here, we have real, we have demo, we have real, we have demo. Can you see that? Simple. Now, the second user interface is like this. You press CFDs. You log in, it will show you like this. It will show you home. It will be here at home. Here, it will be like this. So this is the second phase user interface. You will press CFDs. Once you press CFDs, you make sure that you can change between demo and real. Demo and real. Now, if I press demo, let's first connect a demo account. You will see my accounts here. We have what? We have standard account. So this is the account that I recommend for you to actually select. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see other accounts or type of accounts that we have over here. Financial STP, swap free. These are other types of accounts that you can open. All right. Same phase 3. If you scroll down, this is the account that we have here, CFDs. You see that we have other accounts that we have here. So we can change between real, demo, real, demo. So I can actually go what? I can activate this one. I can activate another one. I can scroll like this. I can activate this one, just like that, type a password, and then continue. I can also press any account that I like to add here, and then press continue. The user interface is like this. It is simple. You can press get any account here that you like to get. So now to connect the account, let's do it together. Let's connect this account. All right. So we will press here. We will do it the manual way because if I say press here, it's a bit challenging for traders. Now, once we've pressed there, I want us to pay pay attention to this. We have what we call a broker, number 1. Number 2, we have a server. Number 3, we have ID, login ID. Now, pay attention. This is the broker here. The broker here is deriv.com. MT5. This is the account that we'll be searching for on the MT5 app. Now, phase 3, if we press here on the account, we press on the account. This is phase 3. We press on the account. We press on the account. We must press on the account. It's taking forever to load. But then anyway, you saw that we've managed to press. Now, once we've pressed there, we will be able to see what the broker, the server, the login ID. So it actually is still loading, but now it's showing up. You will press details. You press details so that you can be able to see what you will be able to see your information. If I press here details, even though it's going to take some time, but then we're just going to let it load a little bit, and we can get out. And this is the second phase. Now the account that we want to connect is this one. So we'll press here, and then we'll be able to see what the broker here, the server, the login ID. And when we press here, you'll be able to see what the broker, the server, the login ID. So now what do we do here? We press this icon here. Can you see this icon here? We press this icon. We press this icon here. This one. Now, once we press here, it will show copied. If we press here, it will show what? Copied. So what we do now, we go to the MT5 app. We get out of here, we go to MT5 app, just like this. We can press here, or we can press the plus icon for Apple device users, or we can actually go back like this. You'll be able to see here we have sections, all right? This is settings. Can you see that? Settings here, you press settings, you press new account, or you can press trade accounts. If you press new account, it will show you this, which you will have now to search the broker here. If you press here, trade account, it will show you this, which you can now either press here or press the plus icon there. If you press the plus icon, it will show you this. So now we search what? We search the broker here, deriv.com. Just like that. Then we have what? We have the broker. We press here. Then what we do now first, we make sure that we change the server. We press here. The server is what? The server was demo, was not 02, was not 03 or 2. It's only for what? For the deriv demo. So now we go back. We paste on login here. We paste the login ID. We don't want email here. This is a login ID that we copied that side. Then we press password here. What's the password? Is demo hash 2026, and that's it. And then we make sure that the password here is checked, safe, and then we press sign in. The account will be signed in. See how simple it was that. Now we can do the same thing here. What we do, we copy the login ID, copy it like that. We get out of this app, out of this website, we get to MetaTrader 5. Then now what we do, we go back here, because this is what we will see, all right? This is my real account. If I press here, okay, we have not connected the account. You do not press here. If you're an Android user, you do not press here, you do not register, you do not sign in, all right? What you do, you press here. When you press here, you will see if you have not actually connected any type of account, it will say get started. But since I've connected the account, you press manage account, you press the plus icon here. Once you press the plus icon there, you now type and search the broker deriv.com. Can you do that? Deriv.com. Just like that. You have the broker here, you press it, then you check the server. First thing first, you check the server, then you press the login ID, you paste it there, then you type the password demo hash 2026, just like that, and I can scroll down. I make sure that this is checked, and I can press login. I press login. The account is connected now without any issue, without any error of no connection. Do you see how simple it is? Can you be able to do it on your real account? Now let's do for the last account, this type of account, all right, this one, all right? So what we do, we copy the same thing. You can also press here, right? Because some traders, they press here, it will take them to here, or it will take you to Google Play Store. Some traders, they experience that. So this is the easiest way for you if you like to log in. But then if you do not, you want to do it the manual way, which is a bit better, you won't make any mistake, you press there, you don't press this one. Once you copy that, you go to the app, MetaTrader 5, you press what? You don't press here, you don't press any, you just make sure that you go press this icon here on the top left screen, you press manage. If it says no connection like this, that means that you don't have internet connection. You don't have to panic, you don't have to worry, your account is connected, but you do not have what? Internet connection. So press the plus icon there, and this is the broker. Then we paste the login ID, we type the password, demo hash 2026, then we say done. We say we left with a dollar sign here, a dollar sign, and then we say login. Now the account will be logged in. You can see connected the account. Now the account is connected. Simple. So now let's look at the real account. Right. Once you've connected the demo account, you can now press here. You press here, then you scroll up, you press here, then you go to real account. Now you can be able to connect the real account. It is that simple. Now CFDs option, CFDs option, CFDs. All right, this is a real account that we want to connect. We want to connect this account, and we can press what? Open. If we like to get other accounts, we can get them. We press open. If you've forgotten the password, you can press forgot password. I press this icon here. Remember now the broker here, you see, Deriv SVG. Can you see that? Deriv SVG. Can you see that? Deriv SVG. Server is Deriv as a server. Now let's look at here, right? We press here, we go back so that we can connect the real account also on this side. We press real account. When we press here, this is the phase 3, user interface, all right? Then we press details. Now it will show you, can you see? Deriv SVG here and the login ID. We copy the login ID. We do the very same thing. We just repeat what we did and we just change the server. That's it. Then on phase here, on phase 2, we press go back here. We go to real. Then once we go to real, we see what? We see this account that we want to connect. Then we press this standard account. You see now here the server is Deriv SVG02. So let's connect the account. This one, let's start with this one. Let's start with this one. We'll go to that phase 1 and phase 3. Now we copied that login ID. We go to the app and we search now. We press the plus icon here. First we press here. We go to manage account. We press plus icon there. Then we type Deriv SVG just like that. We press this. We first change the server to what? To 02. It was 02. Can you see? If we go back here, you see it's 02. and we can go back to the app. Then this is server 02. We paste the login ID. We type the password hash 2026, and we scroll down. We press login. Account is connected. Can you see? Deriv SVG. Now let's connect this one. We press here, right? We copy the login ID. It will say copied there. Then the server here. Then we get out. We go to MT5. We press setting icon. We go to new account. Then we are what? We search Deriv SVG. Deriv SVG. Just like that. It will show up this, and we press this one. Then we change the server now. We press here. We change the server to Deriv server because the account is Deriv server. If we get out here and we come back to this, you'll be able to see here is Deriv server. Then we what? We paste the login ID here. Then we type the password demo hash 2026. Then we sign in. The account is signed in. You'll be able to see, if you press here on settings, you'll be able to see this account. If you press here, you'll be able to see both accounts, real demo and real account. Same thing that we have here, the real account, demo account, real account, demo account. So now let's connect the last account of phase one. It is simple. We do the very same thing. We copy that and we go to the app. All right, we go to the app, we press here, we press manage account, we press plus icon. Now it's SVG, so we already have it. And we change the server, we paste the login ID, we type the password, and hash 2026 $sign. Then we log in. The account is logged in. Can you see? Now I've connected my account here, which is this one of account, which is 95. So I can change between accounts that I like to have here. I can also tap and hold like this if I like to delete account. All right. I can also, let's go to our account. This is my account. To sign into my account, I sign in. All right. I go to trade. This is what we are currently having, right, or we're experiencing. All right. So this is the simpler way for you to connect your trading account on MetaTrader 5.